What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. Today we're going to be looking at another amazing African startup doing some amazing job out there, specifically in Nigeria. So Nigeria is really booming with a lot of amazing startups and a lot of companies which are doing so many great things. And so we're going to be checking out a couple of them and seeing what they're all about. So today we're going to be discovering Fairmony, which is basically a microfinance bank. And so if you head straight away to fairmoney.io, you're going to be presented with this company and what they do. So basically, they say we are building the mobile bank for the next 2 billion. So Fairmoney Microfinance Bank is the #1 most downloaded fintech app in Nigeria with over 10,000 daily loan disbursements and over 5 million users enjoying banking, savings, and investment services. Fairmoney helps the average Nigerian access finance tools to take control of both their life and their finances. And so this is a little bit about what it is. And so let's check out their different services. So it's trusted by millions of users in Nigeria. The customer base of over 5 million is a testament to the growing adoption of Fairmoney in fintech solutions among Nigerians. So over 10 million app downloads, over 10,000 loans per day, loans processed in 5 minutes. There's supposed to be a number here, I believe. Over 210,000 monthly card transactions. So you can see saved with Fairmoney over 3 billion, 3.36 billion to be precise. Yeah, so the products they have are the products that meet all your life goals. So personal loans, business loans, Fair Lock, Fair Save, cards, bank accounts, bill payments, POS service. And so those are just a couple of the services they offer. You equally have the different investors into this. You have some notable names here: DST Global and Tiger Global, and you have some testimonials down here. So they have an amazing app that has been developed. We're going to check that out in a minute. Yeah, so there's a little bit of information the website provides on the homepage. You can discover more about their company over here, about us. You have some information about who they are and what they do. You have the products. Let's check out the products. You have savings, Fair Save and Fair Lock, lending, personal loans and business loans, bill payments, bank account, cards, POS service, and fixed deposits. So let's just check out Fair Save. Yeah, so you can start saving today with them. You have different options: easy withdrawal anytime, any day, no penalties on withdrawals, 14% interest rate per annum, daily interest alert, easy withdrawal. Yeah, so you have safe and secure, reliable, flexible, and cost-effective daily interest on your savings. Yeah, so that's a little bit of what the Fair Save is all about. Savings, you also have Fair Lock, I believe is for a locked saving account where you automatically lock it for a period of time, and your funds are available after that set period of time. So you have best interest rates on your deposits, flexible tenures, automatic withdrawal on maturity, and multiple deposit plans. So that's just a little bit of what they're about. You have equally a calculator which is going to show you how much you're going to make if you save a certain specific amount of money. So let's say you want to save something like 5,000 nairas for a period of 1 year. How much are you going to end up at the end of the year? You're going to end up with 5,630 naira. So they permit you to do that calculation straight away. Yeah, so let's try to do another calculation. Let's say you want to save 500,000 naira. So 500,000 naira for a period of 1 year. So how much are you going to end up? 563,000 naira, which is a decent profit over this over that period of time, which is basically just 14% per annum. Yeah, so how about Fair Lock? So if you save in Fair Lock, let's go with 500,000 for a period of 365 days. You're going to end with 600,000, 603,000 to be precise. Yeah, so they offer pretty decent amounts of savings. Yeah, so that's a little presentation of Fair Lock. If we head over to the Play Store to check out your app, you can see what it looks like over here. And you can equally confirm that they have over 10 million downloads, which is already telling a lot about are and what they do. So let's just check out some interfaces. Save with fair save. So this is a way of making your money work for you by saving your money on here. It gets to produce some returns that you can easily exploit at the end of the saved period. And equally you get access to loans. If you're an individual or a business, you can equally get access to loans. Let's just say, let's try to go some different amounts and see. For fair luck, for example, let's say we save 1 million naira for a period, just a short period of 30 days. 1 million naira for a period of 30 days. So how much will you earn with? 1,012,205 over the period of 30 days. How about make it a period a little longer? Let's say 980 days. So 97,000 is added to that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So at least by putting your money on here, it's going to be producing some more returns. So yeah, that's Fairmony for you. Definitely check it out. They have an ambitious goal of having the next 2 billion. We are building the mobile bank for the next 2 billion people. So yeah, definitely check it out. Make your money work for you in one way or the other. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.